So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I don't have a intro for you guys, but these are my birthday pictures. I had a birthday shoot and these are the end result. Today is my birthday, the 18th of September. So yes, I turned 24 years old, or I mean 24 years young. So yeah, you guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create this beautiful ombre, matte ombre with hollow flakes nail design. So I've already have done ombre nails, so I'm going to speed some parts of this video up because I have videos of ombre nails, so I will link that for you guys in the description box below. And I'm using my spicy pink from my summer collection, but as you guys know, my web shop is currently offline, so I'm applying it at the tip of the nail and like smoothing it into the to the nail bed to make that transition, and I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails. And I've already prepped these nails off camera and also applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, and I always like to apply the thin layer of clear acrylic to prevent staining or lifting. So yeah, you guys. So to perfect the transition, I'm using the Coffin Pink from Young Nails to put on the nail bed, and I'm using the tip of the nail, the tip of the brush to get into the cuticle area and like dab it into the cuticle area, so we can have a clean cuticle area with a clean close acrylic application. And then I'm like smoothing it into the tip of the nail over the color, and you can just apply color where you would like it to be. And if you think that you have applied too much Coffin Pink over the other color, you can always go in with a small amount of like the pink, the neon pink over the at the tip, and just smooth it back into the nail bed so you can get that beautiful transition. You can just play with it, and when you are satisfied with it, you can also, and when you're done with it, you can go in with your clear acrylic and just encapsulate the whole entire nail. And that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. So just pause this video and go on my social media accounts, show me some love. I have posted my birthday pictures on my Instagram account. Go ahead, follow me, you know the trail. show me some love on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok, and then come back and keep on watching. So after the application, I'm going in with my medium drill bit to smooth down the nails and to perfectly shape. And I'm not using this bit to get into the cuticle area. I'm just using this bit to go over the surface of the nail. And at the cuticle area, I'm going to use my tapered bit because we don't want to get too much acrylic off. We just want to flatten it down to make it as even as the nail as possible, so you don't have a chunky and thick nail at the cuticle area. So that's what I'm going to do at the cuticle area, but first we are going in with my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails. So hey you, if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel and celebrating my birthday with me. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Go in the comment section below and comment the birthday thingy. I will put it in the screen so you can see what I mean because I don't know how it's called. Go and comment that in the comment section below so I know that you're still here celebrating with me. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. It will cost you like a second to just press on the subscribe button, okay? Thank you. So now I'm going in with the tapered bit into the cuticle area, but I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be portrait. And portrait means photo. So after filing the nails, I've buffed and cleaned the nails, and now I'm going in with my matte top coat from Kupa Inc nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. So I'm going in with that on the nails, and I will go ahead and cure the nails for 2 minutes under my lamp. So when I'm done curing the nails, I'm going in with some base coat and a small detailing brush to like make the fine line in the middle and also a little bit at the cuticle area. You can make every design that you would like with the base coat, and the reason that I'm using base coat is because after curing the base coat, you will be left with a tacky layer, and we want that tacky layer. So I'm curing that under my lamp when I'm done. So we just still have the tacky layer, and after curing the nails or after curing the base coat, I will just press the Holo flakes into the tacky layer of the cured base coat. And yeah, but when you are at that part of the video, I will explain that more in detail. So these are the hollow flakes that I'm going to use over the tack layer of the base coat. I don't really know if I have a link for you guys because I have this for so long. So I don't know if I can find a link, but if I can find a link, I will put it in the description box below for you guys. And now I'm just using a makeup applicator and I'm just pressing and rubbing the hollow flakes into the tacky layer of the base coat because the base coat is already cured. So I'm just pressing the flakes into the tacky layer of the cured base coat. So that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. So now I'm just going to use a flat dry brush to just get the excess flakes off, to get the line more straight and as straight as I can. And when I'm done doing that, I will go in with a with the small detailing brush again, but this time with a non-wipe gel top coat. I also use the gel top coat from Kupa Inc nails, and I'm using that only over the hollow flakes to just encapsulate them with gel so they don't get off. And when I'm done doing that, I will go ahead and cure the nails again for 2 minutes. And the reason that I don't want to apply the gel top coat over the whole entire nail is because I really want that effect from shiny and matte. So the rest of the nail, we want to keep that matte, okay? So let's just pause this video and congratulate Camila. Baby girl, you are the winner of the giveaway. Go ahead and contact me on Instagram or on Facebook. Let me know that you are the winner. Screenshot this and send it to me so I know that you won the giveaway. Once again, congratulations, baby girl. So after doing that on all the 10 nails, I will go in and cure it under my lamp. And this is the final result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would like to see in my next videos, and also what your thoughts are about this nail set. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for celebrating with me. Don't forget to share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, everybody whose the birthday is in September. Share this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.